Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. Looking at dollar yen and GBP JPY, both of these instruments currently having a very strong breakdown as it is a long-term bull market, and we see that very strong breakdown can give GJ and UJ significant trading opportunity. So first of all, let's begin with GBP JPY, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now, from the monthly, we can see that GBP JPY is a long-term bullish market. From this monthly support, we have seen that after this previous monthly pin bar, after retesting this level, GJ had a strong bounce to the upside. Now with that bounce, currently the price coming down for another pullback. What I think that GBP JPY might be retesting the monthly support, and then we can expect for the price to have another upside as it is a long term bullish market. Now looking at the weekly time frame on GJ, we see that from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly candle so far. After previous weekly narrow candle this week, once the market opened from the support level, we have seen that there is a significant bounce to the upside, created this huge movement, and the price again has come back to this support level. And what I think that now the price might retest this weekly support, and from that zone we can expect for the price to have another bounce as it is a long term bull market. What is going up is likely to go up. That's the law of trading. Now looking at the daily, what we see that the market structure on GJ from the daily perspective is significantly bullish with this very strong liquidity grab. The price has created this movement correction, and the price is creating series of higher high and higher low, which is typical bullish market structure. Now this is the daily impulse. We saw the GJ has broken all this resistance, and the price now coming down for another pullback as this daily impulse is where the liquidity. And what I think that GBP JPY might be retesting this level and even breaking the low can give us another entry opportunity as there is a daily 20 EMA. The price might retest this level, and then we can expect for GJ to give us another bullish momentum. If we look at the intraday perspective to see how the price is doing, we saw that there was quite a few liquidity zone here above this pin bar. There is a huge movement happen, and below this pin bar there is a high liquidity, and we saw that there is a quite a few also rejection from this level, support here. As the market is breaking down, we will be waiting for the price to break this support or to retest to gather liquidity, and as soon as we see that the price has given us suitable entry opportunity along this zone on GJ, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now let's look at dollar yen to see overall picture. Now again, dollar yen also long term bullish market. If we look at this monthly candlestick pattern, we see that this is the dollar yen impulse on the monthly and historical perspective. Dollar yen is a long term bullish market. Now previous months we saw that dollar yen has formed a very sharp bullish engulfer with a full body green, and we saw that this month after breaking the high, dollar yen initially has come down for a deeper pullback, and here is we see the previous resistance that has broken, and now dollar yen highly likely we could see a retest this resistance as a support, and also this is the weekly and monthly support level, and we can expect a bounce of this level. Now looking at the weekly, as you can see there is a green candle on the weekly has completely bounced off this level, and the price now coming down, and what I think that the price may break this weekly low, and from that zone we can expect for dollar yen to bounce off this level, and this is where we could see lower time frame price action for potential bullish opportunity. Looking at the daily, this is the daily clean bullish impulse has broken that resistance, and we saw that from that zone dollar yen had another rejection. As the long term trend is up, we will be waiting for a break of this structure, and lower time frame can give an entry opportunity along the zone on GJ. Looking at the intraday perspective, we see that after gathering liquidity from this all-time high, from this level, we saw that the price lastly visited this level on, if we look at this timing in Friday 21st of October 2022. And from that zone we saw the price tested this level and has got back to the support level again, as the market has rejected from that level, failed to create a new higher high. We might see that it is coming down to create a new lower low. And from that zone, once we see that GJ has broken that level up on a price action confirmation, we look for going long on GBP JPY for this potential move to the upside again to this resistance, with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you enjoyed this analysis, make sure that you leave a like. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.